Today, we're going to be on an adventure. We're going to be harvesting spruce evergreens for our Christmas tree. We're going to be hunting squirrels and eating them for survival. Right, kids?
Right.
Hi, Carter. Are you ready to go get our Christmas tree today?
Mom,
Okay.
Can I do one?
Yep, go.
Hi, everybody. We're going on a trip, and we're going to get our Christmas tree. Oh, honey,
Did Carter eat a kaya booger?
Ew.
Hey, my sister's eating a booger from our dogs, and we're
Which
going
sister?
on a trip to our Christmas tree. See you up on the mountains. Bye. Bye. Susan's eating the dirty water.
Okay, look for bighorn. Hey. That's so cool.
Look at
So
him.
cool.
Did you get it?
He is a thick boy. It's snow.
Snow.
What is? Look over there. The white.
What do you see outside? Do you see some snow?
Ginormous snow.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
There's some snow outside.
Mom, can I show them the snow?
I got it.
And we have to walk. Mom, can I have your phone so then I can
If
do
we
the...
fall off the edge, we have to
Mom,
walk.
can I do the introduction of the... Welcome back to Building and it's been a long time since we have actually done a video. My mom had a baby and we have a new recruit. She's right here. She's asleep. She's so tired. But we're going to get a Christmas tree. There's so much snow up here though. It's crazy. Okay, let's see. So right here, so there's like so much snow up here. Can you guys see that? Isn't that crazy? Like it's like so much snow. So much. It's crazy. And we're going to cut down our Christmas tree. It's gonna be so fun. And we'll get back to you. Yeah. Well, see ya.
Okay. Can I see how pretty it is outside?
It's pretty.
It's what, Carter?
It's bumpy.
It's bumpy. Oh my goodness.
Pretty smooth.
All right, we're checking up. Oh no, did it get... Hi, Kaya. Kaya's leading our way. Hi, what do you think? Ain't it fun up here? Hi, Blake. You having fun?
No.
Oh, good. Hi, mammies. Kaya. Kaya. Kai. Kaya. Come here. Come on. Good girl. All right, we're up here getting our tree. Huh. I think this is the one. Ready? You ready? You cut it down. Oh, is it loud? Can you hear that?
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
What do you think, Carter? So fun. Family memories right here.
They think we're And then can you pull these like over?
What do we do?
Cut a tree down.
Cut a tree down!
Woo!
This is our tree! And it snowed!
And it snowed.
Can't fall.
Yeah, you gotta stand up.
You got it! Go, honey, go, Blakey!
Uh-oh.
Sissy, you can't fall. I need a way to get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna carry it.
No!
Okay.
One, 2, 3.
Okay. We thought we were outdoors people, and we thought we would be cool. Come, chop down our own tree. We brought the chainsaw. Luckily, we brought an axe and a hand saw with it, because the chainsaw didn't work. And us being new here, we didn't know that the snow goes all the way up to your knees when it looks like it's only 2 inches deep. So what do? We hiked all the way in the fetch back there. You can see our tracks all the way back there with the chainsaw. Didn't work. Hiked all the way back. Got our saw and our axe. And then we went all the way back and hacked it down for an hour. Now we got the Griswolds because we don't have a truck. So we laid down a beach towel. And you can see that is the way we're getting it home. Now, let me show you the cool contraption we have. See those tie downs? Well, we have doors, and the doors are holding the tie downs, bing, down. And not only do we have one, we have a whole set of them, and we got kids, and they're fun. All right, well, I'll give you a walk around. There's our Griswold tree. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. It was a fine and dandy time. No tears were shed. Absolutely 0 tears. None. No tears, guys, right? Did anybody have tears? All right, bye.
All right, we made it home. All in one piece. The tree's still all here. We're gonna get it down and put it inside, and then we're gonna decorate it tomorrow, probably, or maybe next week. We'll see.